Hey guys, today we have this titanium piece that we are going to be putting to the test. We're going to be putting this piece in the Weekemd Warrior. It has an abrasive mixture in it of glass bead and aluminum oxide. And we're just going to blast this. We're going to be pretty thorough and try to get every part that we can and see what the results are. So as I'm blasting this, I'm actually noticing that the disgusting parts on this piece are coming off very easy, which is pretty surprising to me because I thought that it was gonna have a hard time getting some of the brown spots off of this piece. But after blasting it, it looks really good. It's very shiny, it's got a nice finish to it. The only thing is that there is some pitting at the bottom of this piece, which blasting is not gonna get rid of. It will polish the piece and make it look nice, but it's not gonna get rid of these indentations in the bottom of the piece. But overall, I think that it looks really good and it's a really good before and after. And it turns out that the mixed abrasive does work really well on titanium pieces. If you guys have a titanium piece and you're interested in blasting it but don't know what to use, or if you're interested in purchasing this machine or any of the abrasives featured in this video, you can check out the description down below. Everything will be linked there. You can also call us at 828-202-5563 with any questions that you have. We also do free application testing, so you can send in any piece and we will blast it and kind of test it out and see what works best for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down below with any questions that you have. We love answering them in videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.